This is the latest from the Neopak company, sir. You might actually really like the bag. It actually fits really well with the laptop and it's very safe. You can carry it around, it's compact. It's really good looking. Okay. Yes, sir. How may I help you?
I got this phone from your shop, Channel 9, and it doesn't work. I want a refund.
Yes, sir. I will look into it right away. Could you just excuse me for a second? Sir, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience caused, but could I please see your receipt? Also, could you explain the problem to me completely? Yes,
I bought this phone 2 weeks ago and it didn't work. I brought it here for repairs and it's still not working.
I'm really sorry to hear that, sir. I'm sure it's extremely inconvenient for you to come all the way from Chandarnagar just to fix the phone. But let's see what
How did you know where I come from?
Oh, it's on the receipt, sir. I read that. So under the terms of your warranty of the phone, you can actually get it repaired. I will personally make sure that it's repaired, sir.
I just told you that I got this phone repaired 2 weeks ago and it's still not working. I just want a refund.
Sir, I'm really sorry, but according to company policy, we cannot issue a refund. It's even mentioned here on your bill. I'm really, really sorry for the inconvenience caused, sir, but I will make sure that it's repaired and it's working fine. Actually, sir, can you hold on? I will ask my supervisor and we'll see what we can do. Just give me a second. Sir, we're really sorry, but we couldn't get a refund approved for you. But what we can do is get you a new phone at no additional cost. Would that make you happy?
Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. And again, we're really sorry for the inconvenience caused.
Hello.
Good morning, sir. This is Prema from Channel 9. Is your cordless working fine, sir?
Oh yes, the new one is working just fine. Thank you.
I'm very glad to hear that, sir. Also, I would like to invite you for our 10th anniversary. So we are running 50% discount on all electronic products.
Wow, that's fantastic. Thank you for inviting me. I will definitely be there.
Thank you so much, sir. Good day.